Hello, it's good to see you. I hope you have been having a good week. We have a very short week this week. Yesterday was our Monday because we've been on fall break. Our school district makes it a priority to make election day a day off. A lot of it is because our buildings are used as polling places. The district just finds it better for us to have the day off, which is awesome. I got to go back to my alma mater and talk with the music ed students there, which was a lot of fun. I also got to talk to some pledges from my fraternity, which was very cool. It's always nice to talk to the young ones. You've probably noticed that I have not done one of these in a while. A lot of that is because the weekly ones were a kind of a hassle. So I'm going to switch to every other week instead, mostly because a lot of the same stuff is going on. We had Boomwhackers the last couple of weeks, which was a lot of fun. We are starting guitars with fifth grade, which is an interesting journey. We're also going to start recorders with our fourth graders, which is going to be a lot of fun. So a lot of really great things are happening. It also just so happens that a lot of classes are having their PBIS days around the same time. We talk about mindfulness, and every day that they agree that we were mindful as a class, we fill in a box on a chart, and if we get to 10, then they get what we call a choice day, which they get to choose what we do with the lessons. And every class now, except for one, has gotten to their choice day. I even have a kindergarten class that is on their way to 2, which is great. A lot of the classes have them kind of around the same time, which is really nice because then you can plan for that. But then if you have something random happen, then it kind of moves the schedule off a little bit. I have been shopping a little bit. We got the recorder belts, which is great. We're just using, I found at the craft store, I found these little rubber bands. I think they make bracelets with them, but they're great for recorder karate. As you can see on my recorder, I have the white belt, then I have the yellow belt, the orange belt, the green belt, so on and so forth, all the way to my black belt. I am probably a black belt recorder player, but I guess I don't know for sure. I can play Ode to Joy, which is the last song in recorder karate, so I'm assuming I'm a black belt, but let's not tell my fourth graders, right? The nice thing is our county got set up with vaccines for kids age 5 to 11. So those are going to be rolled out very soon. Also, I teach in a space that is very, very large. I teach in the auditorium of our school, so we are able to space out. We also did a little bit of shopping with guitars as well. I bought just these cheap guitar tuners that clamp on to the guitar. I think they were like $6 each. I mean, they came in a pack of 2 for $12 off of Amazon. So those were really nice. I have 3 fifth grade helpers that are learning how to tune guitars, and today was interesting, to say the least. I gave them a little chart that has the guitar strings on them, and I showed them how to use the tuner. And as I was tuning a few guitars, I think they got to 1 in a half an hour, and I think I did a lot more than 1. So that was fun. But eventually they're going to be able to tune 3 or 4 in a half an hour, maybe even more. I guess we'll find out. But it's really nice to have those helpers. 4 weeks from yesterday, we start our after-school choir, which I'm very excited about. We're also going to have some college students from the local university help out, which is very cool. So it's going to be a good thing. I'm really pumped for it. I hope you've had a great week. I hope you have a great weekend, a very restful one at that, and keep teaching. I love it. Bye, everyone.